In this third problem here, it is given that the question is given, find the roots of the following equations. The given equation is not looking like an equation, quadratic equation. Okay, so the given question is here in this equation, x minus 1 by x is equals to 3 is given here. X minus 1 by x is equals to 3. So we need to solve this equation. First, you frame this quadratic equation. Quadratic equation framed one. So what do you get here?
So we will take the LCM.
Yes, LCM will become as a x here, and here we are going to get it x square minus 1 is equals to 3. X square minus 1 is equals to 3. So from this we are going to get x square minus 1 is equals to 3x. X square minus 1 is equals to 3x. So the quadratic equation we are going to get x square minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. X square minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation where a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 3, and c is equals to minus 1. So use the formula, or formula is better here because the factorization is not possible. In this situation, the factorization is not possible. So since the factorization is not possible, you use the formula. So formula used technically, what is the formula here? When we use the formula, x is equals to minus b. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. The values you substitute here, and be careful whenever you substitute the values. Minus b is nothing but here minus of minus 3, minus of minus 3 plus or minus under root of b square. B square is nothing but minus 3 whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a value is 1 and c value is minus 1. 4ac by 2a. 2a is nothing but 2 into 1. Like this, you have to substitute. So which is equals to, we are going to get it as a 3 plus or minus under root of 9 plus 4. Isn't it? 9 plus 4 by 2. 9 plus 4 value 13. So which is equals to, the roots are 3 plus or minus under root of 13 by 2. 3 plus or minus under root of 13 by 2. Did you understand this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
so can we directly multiply the first equation that was not in the form of quadratic equation by x?
That means, what you are saying, I didn't get you.
So I said that can we directly multiply x with the equation that was not in the form of quadratic equation?
Yes, the same thing you are going to get. Now you are saying that the given equation is this one. You are asking that x. This is the given equation. X, sorry. So the given equation is x minus 1 by x is equals to 3. You are asking that you want to multiply this by the 3, isn't it? By the x, sorry, like this. You want to multiply it by the x, isn't it? This is
Yes,
only
sir.
thing you are asking. So same thing, you know, if you multiply by the x, if you are, in case if you are LCM finding, then you are going to get it in the same way. isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Here, whenever you are taking this one, in the same way you are going to get. Next question in this, it is given that second one, you may feel little bit difficult to you, 1 by x plus 4. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by minus 1 by x minus 7 is equals to 11 by 30. This is equals to 11 by 30. Now what to do? Here obviously, see, in the previous problem you said that you multiply by the x. But in this situation, what you do?
So we
Obviously,
will
you
find
need to
LCM.
So we will find
yes.
LCM.
Yes, we have to take the LCM, and that we are going to get in the denominator x plus 4 into x minus 7. X minus 7. So this x minus 7 we will get here. X minus 7 minus of x plus 4. Minus of x plus 4 is equals to, this is equals to 11 by 30. In the numerator, we are going to simplify it. So we are going to get it as x minus 7 minus x minus 4 by, expand it, x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 is equals to 11 by 30. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So what do you get here? On simplifying this, x and x will get cancelled here. So minus 11 in the numerator divided by x square minus 3x minus 28 is equals to, this is equals to 11 by 30. Now this 11 and this 11 you get things. So we are going to get it as the equation as simplified form of the equation is x square minus 3x minus 28 is equals to, what do you get?
Minus 30. Minus 30.
Yes, we are going to get minus 30. So on simplifying this, x square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you can do the factorization also here. It is not mentioned that you need to use the always formula only. 2 factorization whenever you are taking, x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. So x if you are taking common, x minus 2 we are going to get minus 1 if you take the common, x minus 2 is equals to 0 we are going to get. So from this we can write x minus, we can take x minus 2 is a common, then we'll take x minus 1 is equals to 0. From this x is equals to 2 or x is equals to 1 we are going to get. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this? Huh?
No, sir.
No doubt. So let us move to the next question. Here it is given that sum of the fourth question is given. You see the here the question. I'm going to present it. Question number 4, whenever you see here it is given that this is sum of the reciprocals of the Rahman's age. in years. 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find the percentage. The reciprocals of the Rahman's ages. Present age of the Rahman you have to consider as a x. Then 3 years ago his age will be x minus 3. And after 5 years from now his age will be x plus 5. So the reciprocals of these two will be, sum of the reciprocals is equals to 1 by 3 is given. So what is the equation we are going to get it in this situation whenever you take it to consider?
So it will be 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 equals to 1 by 3.
Yes. Fourth question. Let Rahman's present, Rahman hai na? Okay. Rahman's present age. X years. So as per the question, 3 years ago, sum of the reciprocals. 3 years ago, his age is x minus 3. After 5 years, x plus 5. So reciprocal. So 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equals to 1 by 3. This is equals to 1. Is it clear to you? And just
Yes.
like the previous problem, you need to solve it. Just you need to first LCM करना है इसको. When you do the LCM, you are going to get it as a x minus 3 into x plus 5 here. And here x plus 5 is plus x minus 3 is equals to 1 by 3. But here we are going to get little x will not get cancelled in this situation. X is not getting cancelled. So what do you get here? 2x plus 2. Isn't it? Divided by x square. I'm writing directly. Minus 3x plus 5x. Minus 3x plus 5x. What do you get? Plus 2x.
Plus 2x.
Minus 15 is equals to 1 by 3. So what to do here in this situation? Just cross multiply.
So we will cross multiply.
So x square plus 2x minus 15 into 1 is equals to 3 into this one. So 6x plus 6. So on simplifying this one, what we are going to get? X square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 is equals to 0. So on simplifying this, x square minus 4x minus 21 is equals to 0. Minus 21 is nothing but 7 3s are 21. Minus 21. 7 3s are. And 7 and 3 subtracting means 4 will get. So 4 को minus sign है, तो greater number 7 को minus sign होना है. So x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equals to 0. So x if you are taking common, x minus 7 plus 3 if you take the common, x minus 7 is equals to 0 we are going. From this x minus 7 if you take the common, then we are going to get x plus 3 which is equals to 0. So x is equals to, we are going to get 7 or minus 3. Because here x is age. As the age cannot be negative, then you have to write it as a x is equals to, as you have to write here. That point you need to mention, as age cannot be negative. Cannot be Negative. Rahman's present age. Rahman's present age is equals to 7 years. What is the question asking to you? Find his present age. So this is his present age. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question, fifth question. In a class test, the sum of the Shefali's marks in mathematics. Okay, I'm going to show you the question to you. See, in a class test, the sum of the marks of the mathematics and marks in mathematics and English is 30. Okay, that means if mathematics marks is X, English marks will be 30 minus X. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks, product of that marks have been 210. Find the marks in 2 subjects. If she gets 2 marks more in mathematics, 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks will be equal to 210. Already we have solved this model question, same model question previously. So this, I think you can do it as a homework. Can you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same model question we have solved it. Okay, previously. So that's why I'm leaving this one as a homework. Sixth question, see here. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 16 meters more than its shorter side. So let the shorter side be X. The diagonal of the rectangular field is given. Shorter side is X, means diagonal will be 60 plus X. If longer side is 30 meters more than that of shorter side. Find the sides of the field. So this is a thing not difficult to you, but here it is in this question.
So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we will find.
Yes, you have to apply the Pythagoras theorem in this question. Okay, Pythagoras theorem applied. So what should be taken here? Let the shorter side be X. First you have to write let shorter side is equals to X meters. It is given to you. So X meters. It is, everything is given in meters. Then diagonal will be X plus 60. Diagonal will be X plus 60. And longer side will be 30 meters more than the shorter side. So longer side means length you can consider. Longer side. X plus 30. So you can take here, this is a rectangular field you consider. So what are the things given to us here? This is X plus 60. This is X plus 30. And this is X. What we have to use here? Pythagoras theorem. By the Pythagoras theorem. Sir, we have not completed the Pythagoras theorem. Now you may get doubt here. We have not completed Pythagoras theorem, but you learned in 8th class. So by the Pythagoras theorem, what can be written here?
So X plus
Diagonal
60
square
whole
will be equals to, and hypotenuse
then
square will be
square.
equals to. So X plus 60 whole square is equals to x plus 30 whole square
plus x square.
plus x square. Expand it. Problem looks like a little bit lengthy, but it's not more lengthy. So x square plus 120x plus 3600 is equals to x square plus 60x plus 900 plus 900 plus x square. So this one x square and this x square will get cancelled. Then what is leftover terms are there, that all you take it to the one side. So I'm simplifying this. We are going to x square first. Right hand side, whatever it is there, that I am writing first. Then after these two terms I am taking to the right hand side. These two terms go other side I am taking. So 120x plus 3600 is equals to this. So we are going to get it as a x square minus 60x plus 4500 is equals to 0. This is 7 plus 900. Sorry, minus 3600. Huh? Here we will get minus 3600. No? Minus 120 minus 3600. Sorry, 4500 will not get.
Sir, your voice is breaking and the blood is also board is also blurred.
Your voice is not audible.
Sir, am I audible?
X square minus 3x 3600 से 900 subtract कर. So we are going to get minus 2700. So very simple here. 2700 means 9 3s are 27. 90 into 30 is 2700. 90 into 30. So 90 into 30 is nothing but here minus 90 plus 30 should be taken into consideration. So what do you get here? We are going to get it x square minus.
Sir, your voice is cracking and blood is also. Sir.
My voice is also cracking.
Yes, sir, or the board is also blurred.
Okay. I think you can solve it now. Let's solve it.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
sir, you are not audible.
Yes, sir.
हम तीनों क्या करें?
थोड़ी देर वेट करते हैं.
Only 3 members. Okay. Can we solve it?
Yes, sir.
You know.
No,
So
sir,
x
not
square
clearly.
minus 30x plus 30x minus 2700 is equals to 0 we are going to get. From this, if you are taking the x common, we are going to get x minus 90. And from this 30, if you take the common plus 30, x minus 90. So obviously, we are going to get x is equals to 90 or minus 30. So x cannot be. If you see that, this you are going to get x is equals to plus 90, x minus 90, x minus 90 into x plus 30 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 90 or x is equals to minus 30. So minus 30 is not possible. Minus 30 is not possible. Always you don't write minus negative whenever you get it. Here in this situation it is not possible. That's why I am writing here. So therefore the shorter side is 30 meters. Shorter side is 30 meters, longer side is 60 meters, and diagonal is 90 meters. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can